Welcome to this hands-on DeepSeek AI tutorial. In this walkthrough, you'll start by opening the app and effortlessly signing in using your preferred method, whether it's a Google account, Apple ID, or your phone number. Once logged in, you're greeted with a clean, familiar interface that immediately puts you at ease, reminiscent of other popular AI assistants you've encountered before. As you settle into the app, you'll notice a simple chat interface where you can type in your questions. Just enter your query into the text box at the bottom and watch as DeepSeek responds with information tailored to your needs. If you ever feel like the answer could be refined, you have the option to repeat your prompt or provide immediate feedback with a thumbs up or thumbs down, ensuring the tool learns and adapts to better serve you. For those more complex queries, there's an innovative feature that truly sets DeepSeek apart, the Deep Think button. With a single tap, this feature activates a powerful AI reasoning model that delves deep into your questions, providing well thought out responses that feel almost like a conversation with a super intelligent companion. This advanced reasoning capability is available to you at no extra cost, making it a standout feature in the competitive world of AI assistants. If you're looking to get the most current and relevant information, the app also offers an option to integrate live internet search results. By enabling this feature, DeepSeek pulls in the latest data from the web, ensuring that you're never left behind with outdated information. This seamless integration of real-time search results adds a layer of dynamism and reliability to your experience. Navigation within the app is designed to be as straightforward as possible. Whether you want to start a fresh conversation or revisit a previous discussion, the intuitive menu lets you access all your past chats with ease. And if your project requires more than just text, for example, if you need to analyze a photo or document, the app provides additional tools. A simple tap on the plus icon allows you to upload images or documents, making it easy to receive insightful analysis for tasks ranging from essay writing to creative design critiques. By the end of your session, you'll not only be adept at navigating DeepSeek AI, but you'll also appreciate the thoughtful design that caters to both simple queries and more advanced, nuanced requests. With every interaction, the app proves to be a versatile, reliable companion for all your informational needs. Enjoy exploring DeepSeek AI, and may your journey into the world of artificial intelligence be both enlightening and exciting.